Ross, good to see you once again. Today we do have a surprise quiz, but no need to be worried. It's just a fun quiz today, a little bit of a trivia, and the subject is animals. Okay, so I'm going to ask you each question. You tell me your answer. I write it down, and then I will tell you the correct answer. Okay, so I will keep track of your score, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, this one is just for fun. So, to begin with, how do polar bears greet each other? What do you think the answer is? Okay, in fact the answer is they touch noses. What do you call a female peacock? The correct answer is a peahen. What American president kept raccoons in the White House? Okay, the correct answer is Calvin Coolidge. What do toucans toss back and forth with their beaks as part of their mating ritual? The answer is a piece of fruit. What is the only species where the male gives birth? Seahorses. How many times per second can a honeybee flap its wings? Correct answer is 200. What is the only primate besides humans that can have blue eyes? The answer is blue-eyed black lemurs. That does sound like a Yu-Gi-Oh card actually. Blue eyes, black lemurs. Question. A pandemonium is a group of what kind of animal? Correct answer is parrots. What is the largest species of bird? Correct answer is the ostrich. What color is polar bear fur? This is a trick question, just a heads up. Okay, the answer is in fact colorless. What animal has 300 teeth? The answer is in fact leeches. What do you call a group of crows? A murder of crows. What is the only type of animal that has the ability to live forever? It is a special type of jellyfish. What two types of farm animals have accents? The answer is goats and cows. What possession do otters keep their entire is the only kind of animal, other than human, that is known to have rituals around death? The answer is elephants. Where do butterflies have their taste buds? The answer is in their feet. How do sea otters keep from drifting apart while they sleep? It is, of course, by holding each other's hands, or paws would be more accurate. What kind of sea creature can be broken in 5 pieces and still survive? It is, of course, a starfish. How many legs do shrimp have? The answer is 10. How do cats show that they trust someone? By headbutting you. What kind of animal can only eat upside down? The answer is actually flamingos. How do prairie dogs greet each other? The answer is by kissing. What animal gives birth upside down and then catches the baby in their wings? The answer is bats. How do honeybees tell each other where they found the best pollen? The answer is by dancing. What kind of animal uses a pebble to propose? The answer is a penguin. What body part on a dog can be used for identification in a similar way to the human fingerprint? The answer is their nose. How do seahorses stay with their mate while floating? They hold on to each other's tails. How do male penguins carry eggs? The correct answer is with their feet. What animal is known by the nickname sea cow? The answer is manatees. What do you call a female dragonfly? A damselfly. What type of farm animal has best friends? The answer is cows. What is the national bird of the USA? Of course, the answer is the bald eagle. What colour noses do slugs have? The answer is 4. What is the only animal that can't jump? The answer is elephants. What animal has 9 brains? An octopus. What is the only mammal that can fly? The answer is bats. How do tigers show affection and contentment? The answer is by closing their eyes. How long does it take a sloth to digest its food? Two weeks. What is the largest land mammal in North America? The answer is, of course, the bison. About how many glasses of milk does a cow produce in its lifetime? The answer is 200,000. How many seconds was the longest recorded chicken flight? The answer is 13 seconds. What is the only kind of bird that can move backwards without help from the wing? The answer is hummingbirds. What are the only 2 places where lions live in the world? The answer is Africa and India. What type of big cat has the loudest roar? The answer is, of course, lions. What colour are flamingos when they are born? They are born white and then they turn grey. What animal can sleep for 3 years? The answer is snails. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's trivia test on animals. I think you did very well, actually, considering some of those questions were a little bit difficult and unusual. Very interesting though, at least I thought so. Hopefully you found it interesting and fun as well, and I certainly hope you have